Hello everyone. In this video, we are starting with a new series on graph theory. First of all, what is graph? A graph, capital G, consists of set of vertices, also called as nodes. Capital V, it is denoted by, and a set of edges are also called as arcs, denoted by capital E. So the graph is denoted by G equal to within brackets V comma E, where V is a finite and non-empty set of vertices. Capital E is a set of pairs of vertices. Hence, V within brackets G, read as V of G, is set of vertices and E of G is set of edges. An edge, small e, which is written as A comma B, is a pair of vertices A and B and is said to be incident with A and B. Means if this is called as edge, and this edge is incident with vertex A and also incident with vertex B. V of G, that is the vertices set, is A, B, C, D, E in this graph. E of G is whatever edges are there present in this. One is AB, so you write it as A comma B, then B comma C, C comma D, D comma E, A comma E, and then B comma E. So there are totally 6 edges in this. That means this particular graph has got 5 vertices and 6 edges. When we say size of the graph, it is nothing but the number of edges in that graph. So here it is, size of the graph is 6. Now let us proceed to understand what is undirected graph and directed graph. First one, undirected graph. This example itself is an undirected graph because the edges do not have any direction specified. So an undirected graph is a pair capital G which is equal to V comma E, where V is a set whose elements are called vertices, and E, capital E, is a set of unordered pairs of distinct elements of V. Vertices are also called as nodes. Elements of capital E are called edges or undirected edges. Each edge may be considered as a subset of capital V containing 2 elements. In undirected graphs, this AB or A to B is the same as B to A, where A and B are any 2 vertices of the graph. So this is also an undirected graph example having some 7 vertices. Here capital G is defined as V comma E, where V is 1, 2, 3 up to 7, and the edges are, one is 1 to 3, then 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, then 2 to 4, 2 to 5. So you can write it as ordered pairs, unordered pairs as 1, 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. Then we have 3 comma 4, then we have 3 comma 6, then we have 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 7, then we have 5 comma 7, and then we have 6 comma 7. So in this case, you may notice that 4 comma 7 is the same as 7 comma 4 because it is undirected. Now let us proceed to understand what is directed graph. A directed graph, or also called as digraph, is a pair capital G which is equal to V comma E, where V is a set whose elements are called vertices, same definition, and E is set of ordered pairs of elements of V. Elements of E are called as directed edges or arrows, or simply edges also you can call, but those edges are directed. For a directed edge A comma B in capital E, A is called as tail. This first element is called as tail and second element is called as head, and it is denoted by A to B. So this is a directed graph example. We may notice that from 2 to 1, there is a direction specified, but there is no direction specified for 1 to 2. 6 to 1, it is specified. There is nothing specified for 1 to 6. So here ordering is very important in directed graphs. So here G equal to V comma E, where V is having vertices from 1 to 7 and edges are 2 to 1 and then 3 to 2. So 3 2, 3 4, 4 5. Then we have 6 1, 6 7. Then we have 7 2 and then 7 3. So here we may notice that 7 3 is not the same as 3 comma 7 as we saw in undirected graph. It is same, but here it is directed graph. Here these two are not the same. We'll continue with our discussion on graph theory in our next video, where we will discuss about various terminologies being used in graph theory. Till then, see you all. Thank you. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.